recently revealed pair, which is a part of a wider Nike International collection, features a multicolor, vivid green, dark apple, clear color scheme. Even while the Oregon Ducks' friendly makeover is eye-catching on its own, the elements that are superimposed also draw attention. A close look at the upper of the silhouette reveals reinforced forefoot, rear foot, and profile sections, along with layered swooshes and branding on the tongue. The pre-Montreal Vaporfly 4 offering, which combines tradition and contemporary performance, is modeled by the design decision. The mid-70s Waffle Racer is used in the React cushion trainer to accomplish the same thing. The midsole has a hint of yellow to give it life, and the classic black rubber outsole with a waffle design completes the look. Take a peek at the most recent Pegasus 41 official. Pairs ought to be available on Nike.com by October.